back to Crochet Delight. I'm Barbara, and today is Hot Off the Hook Friday. So, before I get started showing you what we have for today, I want to go over the requirements for Hot Off the Hook Friday for those of you who don't know. All you need is to send in a picture to crochettdelight2@gmail.com and with a brief description, and your name's already in there. You don't have to have your actual name. You can ask to have a different name displayed. Like if you want to make up a nickname for yourself, to have that on there, but please let it be appropriate. If you want just to have your nickname that somebody else has already given you to be displayed instead of your actual name, go right ahead and ask. I mean, I want you guys to all feel comfortable sharing. We've had quite a few repeats, and it's awesome. We've already had so many different things, like a little hat for a fur baby, a couple baby dresses, a shawl, and even a giant footrest. It was awesome. They're all amazing. Hot Off the Hook Friday is actually here for you guys to show off your stuff to your friends and family. So, don't be afraid to send in your stuff, and don't be afraid to ask to not have your name displayed. I mean, you can have a nickname displayed. So, that's pretty much it for that. Now, for the actual Hot Off the Hook Friday, we haven't had any entries, which, by the way, the email will be in the description box below of every single video, so don't worry, you'll always be able to find it. I was the only one that did anything this week, and that happens. I don't mind, but I'd rather for you guys to show off your stuff. But I have made some yarn. I made alpaca, and I made corridel. And I love the corridel. It's so soft. The alpaca's soft, but not as soft as the corridel. And I love the color of this corridel yarn. And for those of you who don't know, corridel is wool. So, the color is elderberry wine. It is gorgeous. It's like a burgundy, but yet it's not exactly a burgundy either. It's more purple. And it's beautiful, and it's shiny, and I just love it. And here's something brand new that I've been working on, because for a couple months I couldn't find my my little toolkit. But I just found it a couple nights ago, so I'm making stitch markers, and you're about to see a couple of those. And I even made myself one. I have it kind of pinned right on my shirt. These stitch markers have the letter of whatever hook. So if you use a J hook on one project, and then you go to use it for another project, you can use that stitch marker to mark what hook you've used. I use mostly a G or an F, sometimes an I, mostly J, but I also like to use a B hook for when I use crochet thread. It's actually the closest that I can get to a certain size that I'm constantly finding out I need. So, that's pretty much it. New stitch markers, new yarn. Oh, and don't forget, there is also a shawl. I know I forgot. But that's it. Have a delightful day and happy hooking, everyone. I hope you enjoy the pictures that you're about to see.